Nvidia is down almost 5% today. And while I'm on a crazy winning streak right now, up about $877,000 this month, I did take two hits on Nvidia trying to catch the bottom today. And so in this video, we're going to go over this sell-off that's happening at this point. We're going to go over if I think we will bounce anytime soon. We'll also go over why I ended up losing money trying to time the bottom and how low I think Nvidia will go. Because even with this pullback, I still think that Nvidia will hit $150 by the end of this year. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is zoom out to a daily chart, and we're going to run two indicators that are both free on TradingView, and you can learn how to use these and get the custom settings with our free Elite Traders Playbook course. The link will be in the description. The first one is going to be called the market bias, which is this green tape indicator. Whenever price is over the market bias, you can see we are in a bullish mode. Whenever price is under the market bias, we're in a bearish mode. So you'll see that price pushed over market bias, ran, pulled back into market bias, and bounced. That's the type of structure that we want to see. From that point, we use the BX trender, which is this indicator at the bottom of your screen. And what we want to see is a bounce off of the market bias, followed by higher lows or higher highs on the BX trender, which occurred right here. You can see that last time this happened, price bounced from 105 up to 120 within 3 days. The most recent time price bounced off of market bias and rallied 20% within 12 days. So now that price has pulled back drastically, you will notice that we're still above the market bias, but the BX trender has shifted from light green to dark green, or from higher highs to higher lows. This does not mean that we short the stock. If you're somebody who wanted to, you could, but instead what this means is that price is most likely going to pull back into this market bias zone before catching a bounce. So what we want to do is now wait until price pulls back into this zone, and we want to look to go long within our market bias, setting a stop loss at lower lows, and then from there, setting a take profit up at higher highs, which is about a 21% move to the upside and about a 7% move to the downside, which would give us a 3-to-1 risk versus reward, which is very, very healthy when trading. Now, as far as my positions on Nvidia, I've been doing very well, and I've been following my 15-minute day trading bot. This is probably how I will continue to trade Nvidia over the next couple of weeks, but more so, I might also look to sell cash secured puts this week down to 100, sell cash secured puts next week into $125 and $120, so that this way, worst comes to worst, I will end up getting a premium or collecting a small amount of money for selling the cash secured puts, or I'll be forced to buy most likely about $500,000 worth of Nvidia stock at $120, which is something I'm more than happy to do. I hope this video helped, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.